Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Origin not installed error in FIFA 21. So take note that Origin is the former name of the app. It is now called EA app. So go ahead and launch your EA app on your PC. And then once you're here, on the top left corner of the screen, you will see 3 horizontal bars. Click on it, a drop down menu will appear, and go to settings. And then here, on the navigation bar, you will see the application tab. Click on it. And then make sure the application updates is turned on. The open the EA app automatically on startup is turned on. And then the enable background services is also turned on. Now, what you're gonna do is close it, open your task manager. After you open your task manager, find EA. Close all of the instances. So select the EA, delete, select the EA, delete. And then once you killed all the processes of EA, close it and then launch EA app again. So wait for it to load. And then once you're here again, try to launch your FIFA 21. Most probably it will be fixed. So that's basically it.